Welcome to SMF Street, stockmarketpending.com. What we're doing with our SMF Street traders is we're going to be doing another very important index, monthly index. And basically, international people, all of you qualify to be at SMF Street. And you qualify to be on the SMF Street trading staff. We're worldwide. We're not US bound. We are worldwide, and that makes it a nice home for you. Click on the free 5-day trial sign up and utilize the website. It's totally dynamic as far as the content and different analysis that we do with our trading network is that we're constantly updating trades, and the reason for the videos is that we are doing what we call the small cap index, S&P small cap 600 index. It's bearish, and the thing about it is it's bearish for a number of reasons. What I will point out is some history for the novice people out here that may look at the video is that in 2003 we put in a monthly breakout to the 2007 high. That was a 4-year expansion. There is the top, and it came all the way back down to the very same lows that it broke out on in 2003, gave it all up. Since then, we have re-leveraged to what we call a major topping pattern. We re-leveraged the trend off of the 09 lows right up here to this major top in 2008, where it broke its back and went down to all-time lows. The thing that we're dealing with now is a bearish reversal, and small cap is a great place to be when you have this kind of an economy working. You can also see when the economy doesn't work so well, like it was in 2007. We put in the major topping pattern right here in 2007. This is what we call a double monthly top reversal down to the pit, all the way back to the 2003 lows. So basically, we re-levered, we've come back up within the trend, and the stimulances have worked this far. But here's this thing about small cap. A small cap can't survive in a much higher tax rate. If the government doesn't do the right thing, then this small cap index is going to go a lot lower. And you can see what's below the market all the way back here to 200 of the 2009 breakout. This is what's below the market. In the shorter term, let's do this. Let's blow up this trend. I'm below the 50-month moving average. The 40-month's about to cross over the 10-month, SMF Street traders. I've got a closing price above the 10-month. So let's go down here and write the numbers down when you get the video today. What I want you to do is write down the 10-month moving average right now is at 339.64. The 50-month moving average is at 350.59. It's closing below that. The last price on this index was 330.22, right there. So basically, the closing bar, the 10-month moving average is at 339, and we closed at 330. So we got to close below there. The 100-month moving average is at 317. That's the support level, and down below here, that 20-month is at 303, SMF Street traders. And you have been taught in the school that what we will do now is we'll go back and start looking at the bear side. If we break below that 100-month moving average and we take out this level right here, this is the level we're talking about. We're talking about that trend line, and we're right there on it. Let me draw a horizontal line one for you. Make it nice and straight. So there is the 3-month breakout in 010, and that is the long-term support level on the small cap index. If we break the 2010 pricing support level and we get going through those moving averages, that 100-month one is important. That's 317, by the way, and the 20-month is at 303. We would get a lot of stop market orders. We would be breaking those price levels. and we would want to be short at the price level when they break it. We'll go through each one of those trades. Excuse me. We're going to go through each one of the bear ETFs. Percent DS is bearish. It's crossed over SMF Street Traders. The MACD is 3.5. The previous week was 3.9, and we dropped to 3.9. As long as that number keeps dropping, you know that our mathematical system will tell you where the state of the trend is with everything I'm talking about on the video, because it's built in our platform that we own. And it does all the work for you. That's the beautiful thing about being at SMF Street. When you see that in your free 5-day trial, you're just going to be amazed. You'll never know, though, if you don't sign up and see it. So basically, I'm putting a bear move. I will put the bear move on it. When I break that price level and that 100-month moving average, that's when we'll be aggressively shorting. In between now and then, SMF Street Traders, this is your resistance up there, half of the monthly bar at 366. Half of this down month, August bar, is 340. As long as I'm closing below 340 and I can't consolidate above that, then this trend, it will set up. And when the sellers come back in September, if they do show up and we start that sell through, then we'll start popping those trades. Once again, SMF Street trading staff, welcome to the CBO E S&P Small Cap 600 monthly index. Be ready to trade it. Be ready to profit from it. While the rest of the world is holding on, we'll be making money short when they fall.